Hello and welcome back to the channel, Easy Digital Art. This is part 3 of the basic training. I'm going to show you how to use the bevels in office shapes. So we take our original shape here where we left off. Just going to make it fixed so it's easy to move. Now I'm going to take out the shape outline, so no outline, and I'm going to give it an initial bevel just to start off. Now I'm going to open up the format shape. You could also right click when you select it here. It's down here, format shape. So now in here, I'm going to give it a bottom bevel as well. You can't see it just yet because we have to go to the rotation. And I have to rotate this. I'm going to rotate it this way. Like so. Now I'm going to give it a height for both the top and bottom. So top, bottom. Okay. Now I'll make it bigger. Okay, so we've over rotated it. So I'm just going to actually go this way. Like so. That's our shape. You can see the color goes right through the object, which is what we want. Now I'm going to change the material and I'm going to change the lighting. I don't know if that's a bit too much. Maybe this one, that's too dark, too light, too light. Try that one for now. And I'm going to give it a bit of a contour. Let's see if that works. That doesn't work. Okay, so we're going to bring the shape outline back now. I'm going to give it a light one, I think. Material, I'm not sure if that's creating that line. Let's see here. It's always a learning process, isn't it? No outline. Excuse me. So now I'm going to give it an angle of light. And I'm going to give it some shadow. See what that does. And then let's move it over this way. See if the contour, if we give the contour a white contour, does that do anything for us? Nope. Let's get rid of that. Let's go shape outline. Go like that. Give it a different lighting. Lighting. Okay. Shape outline, no outline. Okay, that gets rid of it. Have to find the right combination of functions. This one's okay too. Let's go get rid of the shadow. No shadow. Okay, step 2. After we make our object, I'm going to give it some more height. So now I go right click, edit points. That's what I did. Edit points, right click. And then all these corners become smooth. So we just want to change them to all smooth. Also, we can go back in here, can straighten this out a little bit, thin it out. Here's the rotation that I'm looking for. Thanks for watching.